Hi, I'm Jennifer with Danfoss. In a world of contractors and installers, speed and precision matter. At Danfoss, our digital tools are built to help you move faster, work smarter, and get the job done right. From the first spec to the final order, our digital tools support every step. Use Design Center to build systems. Check stock in the product store. Get support from RefTools or Installer app. Everything is connected and ready when you need it. This isn't about adding more apps. It's about having tools that work when and where you do. Danfoss helps you cut delays, reduce mistakes, and move faster. Want to see what each tool can do? Check out our short videos on RefTools, Installer app, the product store, and more.